In this portion of the lab, we will be testing resonance. The tuning fork that we will be using has a frequency of 320. You will use this number to help you determine what the predicted wavelength is when the tube produces a resonant sound. Now we will place the measuring tube in the water. We will now strike the fork and hold it over the open end of the tube in order to produce the resonant sound. The resonant sound will be produced when we hear the loudest production of sound. Now that we have found the resonance, we are going to measure the distance from the surface of the water to the highest point of the tube in order to determine the wavelength. This is at about 27 centimeters. Record this in your space provided on your OneNote page. This will only measure a quarter of the wave. In order to determine what the full wavelength of the wave is, you will take this number, 27 centimeters, and multiply it by 4. Record that number in the space provided. This number is represented in centimeters. However, in order to determine what the full wavelength is and compare it to what the predicted wavelength is, we need to convert this number to meters. To do this, you can divide the number by 100 or simply move the decimal place 2 places to the left. Once you determine what that number is in meters, compare it to the predicted wavelength that you calculated previously to this activity. Compare the two numbers and answer the following question.